Hello viewers, welcome back to Freddys Sofa. Now we are in Ghana and today we have a very interesting topic to discuss. More or less, we have a talent that we've seen in Ghana. Different talent altogether. And I will not waste your time, we'll go straight to the point and then we're going to discuss what kind of talent it is. Mister, how are you? You are very fine. I really want you to raise your voice so that the people can hear you and you can look into the camera and express yourself. Are you shy or something?
No.
Confident?
Yeah.
Beautiful. What's your name?
Injustice for saving.
I still can't hear you.
Injustice for saving.
Justice for self. Justice, can you tell a little bit about yourself to the audience who are watching? You have people watching you from UK, Canada, all over the world. Just introduce yourself a little bit.
Okay, hi, thank you. My name is Justice for saving. I'm the boy who imitated the animals house in Ghana.
You are the what?
The boy who imitated the animals house.
He's the boy who imitates animal sounds in Ghana. This boy can actually sound like a cat, dog, just name it. Justice, where did you learn these things?
Okay, I started learning from a child.
From your childhood? Let's say from how old?
When I was 10 years.
When you were 10? Around how old are you?
20 years.
He started learning animal sounds when he was 10. And now he's 21. So just imagine what he can do. Now, we're not going to waste time. Just before we go into details, I want our audience to understand exactly what you do.
Okay.
So let's start. What exactly can you do? It sounds funny though, but I know you do a lot. I've actually heard him do a couple of sounds, but today you're going to hear him do more. Justice,
Yeah,
what are you going to do for us? Can you do something like the sound of a dog?
Oh yeah, a wounded dog or a foreign dog.
Let's say wounded. Now the dog is wounded. That's when he's wounded, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful. What about a bulldog? Wow. That's a bulldog, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a local dog.
And the local dog? If you say local dog, you mean the local Ghanaian dog?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see how it goes. Justice.
Yeah,
This is unbelievable.
Thank you.
Now, I do understand that you want to use this talent. Where do you see yourself in the next year to come?
Okay, I believe in God and I want to see my name in Guinness Book of Record.
You want to see your name where?
In Guinness Book of Record.
He wants to see his name in the book of Guinness Records. It's not easy talent, it's not easy job.
Yeah.
But you know you'll get there.
Yeah.
And I believe you can do it. Alright, let's get to the sound. Now, what about other sounds that you can do? Let's talk about, let's say, can you do a cat?
Oh yeah. I'll do that all.
It doesn't matter what you can do. Okay. Is it when the dog when the cat is hungry?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright. What other sounds can you do?
Okay. Just want you to just mention it.
I should just mention it. Alright. Okay. Let's say a cow.
Okay. Okay.
Goat. Wow. How about a sheep? And the pig? Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah. I can give you a sound of a cock.
A cock?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do that. Oh, this is the sound that sounds when it's early in the morning in Africa. Can you do that again?
And we have a hen.
The hen. Let's go.
If the hen is about to lay egg.
When the hen is about to lay eggs. Wow. when the hen is about to lay eggs, this is how it sounds. Then the egg will drop. That's amazing. All right, let's get into it. What else can you do?
Can you do a sound of a mouse?
A mouse?
Yeah.
But mouse sound is really interesting though. Can you really bring it out?
Yes.
That's it.
I have a mouse fly.
A housefly? Okay. How about a mosquito? Now, when you hear a sound like that, you should kill it. Because if it bites, you're gonna get malaria. Wow.
I can give you a sound of this a bat.
The bat?
Yeah.
Okay. And you look like a bat, right? You know, the bat has got this kind of eyes and
Yeah.
wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, before we get into it, I know people know you in Ghana, maybe, right? A lot of people know you in Ghana. What about outside?
They know me.
A lot.
I've got an interview with BBC.
You've done interview with the BBC before, BBC Africa. All right. So your face is everywhere. So do you have Instagram page, a Facebook page, all those things?
Yes, I have a Facebook page.
You have the Facebook, you don't have the Instagram. You have to do the Instagram because that's where a lot of people go. Yeah? So you need to get an Instagram handle so that we can put it out.
Okay.
And we're looking forward to see you on the Guinness Book of Record, as you said. Good. Now before we finish up, what interesting sound do you think you can give us? My favorite sound is the dolphin. Can you do me a dolphin?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's go. That's amazing. Which one is your favorite?
Okay, as for the bulldog is my favorite.
The bulldog.
Yes.
Give us the bulldog again. The bulldog is his favorite. Now, one of my favorites is the dog, the wounded one. Can you do the wounded one again?
Can you do a turkey?
The turkey.
Yeah.
All right, let's go for the turkey.
He said about the guinea fowl.
The guinea fowl. All right, let's go.
I have a dove.
The dove.
Yeah.
Let's go for it. So basically, you know more of these animals. What about snake? You know how the snake goes, so that if you hear the sound, you just have to be careful.
Sound like
You're right. Justice. It's a pleasure for you coming on Freddys TV. I know there's more in store for you. Now keep watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe because we have more talent coming on your way. Justice, we don't want to waste more of your time. And we're looking forward to see you where you want to be and we'll make sure you're going to be there. So thank you for coming on Freddys so far and we expect to see you again and then you can tell us more and more things that you can do. Thank you.
when I do an interview like this, some of them ask me number.
Okay. Well, you can give your number anywhere people can really see you or call you for any support that you can help. Please put it there.
Okay, my number is 0559 570261. 0559 570261. And my Facebook name is Justice Osei.
Just Justice Osei.
Yes.
Good. Now, if you have anything that you think can help Justice to reach his goals coming into the Guinness Book of Records, please do that. And then we can all support him to see all this talent. Thank you, Justice. Look forward to see you again in the next episode to come.